Welcome everyone. Let us learn how to divide a line segment in the given ratio. Class 10th Mathematics. So let's start. Question is, divide a line segment in the ratio 3:2. Draw a line segment AB. Name the points A and B. Now, second step, draw an acute angle BAX below the line segment AB. Locate 5 points by making 5 equal parts on the ray AX, starting from A. Name these points A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Now join A5 with B. Name the points A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. In next step, through the point A3, this is A3, draw a line parallel to A5B. So we'll do it by making equal angles. We are constructing equal corresponding angles. We'll draw a line and this line is parallel to A5B and this line is intersecting AB at a point C. Here AC ratio CB is equal to AA3 ratio A3A5, that is also equal to 3/2. Let's verify that YAC ratio CB is 3/2. In triangle AA3C and triangle AA5B, angle CAA3 is equal to angle BAA5 because they both are common angles in both the triangles. Angle AA3C, here is angle AA3C, is also equal to angle AA5B since they are corresponding angles and the lines A3C is parallel to A5B. So by AA similarity, both the triangles are similar and we know that in two similar triangles, the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. So AA3 ratio A3A5 is equal to AC ratio CB, that is also equal to 3:2. Let's see the alternate method to divide a line segment in the given ratio. Draw a line segment AB. Name the line segment AB. Now, through point A, draw a ray AX below AB, making an acute angle with AB. Draw a ray BY parallel to AX by making acute angle ABY equal to angle BAX. Here we are constructing an angle equal to BAX. We have got an equal angle equal to BAX. Here angle BAX is equal to ABY. Next, locate the points A1, A2, A3 on AX starting from A. This point is A1. Now this point will be A2 and this point will be A3. Without changing radius, make two equal parts on the ray BY. This is B1 and this point is B2. We have made all the 5 parts equal. Name the points A1, A2, A3, B1 and B2. Here the length of each part is equal. Now join A3, B2. A3 and B2 will join, and this line is intersecting AB at a point C. Triangle ACA3 and BCB2 are similar triangles. Therefore, AC ratio CB is equal to AA3 ratio BB2, which is 3/2. Let's verify why the ratio AC ratio CB is 3/2. You can see two triangles here and we'll check whether they are similar. In triangle ACA3 and triangle BCB2, this is ACA3 and BCB2, angle A3AC is equal to angle B2BC. We had constructed these both angles equal. They are also equal alternate interior angles since AX parallel to BY. Again, in these two triangles, angle ACA3, this angle, and angle BCB2, BCB2, this angle, they both are equal. Tell me, why are they equal? Yes, they both are vertically opposite angles. Now, in both the triangles, by AA similarity, the triangles are similar. And we know that in similar triangles, ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. So, AA3 ratio BB2 is equal to AC ratio CB is equal to 3:2. Now, it's your turn to divide this line segment. Question number 1. Draw a line segment AB of length 7 centimeters. Using ruler and compasses, find a point P on AB such that AP ratio AB is equal to 3:5. Thank you for watching, learning, sharing and subscribing the channel.